everybody, it's Camper Cass here at Arcan Trailer and RV Center, and today I'm going to show you this beautiful 2026 Cougar 2700 BH half-ton towable fifth wheel. This one comes in at a payload of just under 1,500 pounds and a dry weight just under 7,800 pounds. So we'll start on the outside and we'll hop in. So on the front here, we do have road armor suspension, so when you're towing, there's a rubber pad in there to absorb a ton of the road shock as you're traveling. I also wanted to point out the front compartment here. Normally I wouldn't actually draw attention to this because it's not normally anything fancy, but the Cougars do something pretty incredible and they put two gas struts on them. So you're not messing around with magnets or baggage clips here that are gonna maybe let go and bonk you on the head. You've got two strong gas struts here to keep this open for you when you're in the front compartment. Now, every single Cougar will have HyperCore walls, which is a waterproof wall, as well as HyperDeck floors, which is also waterproof and reduces weight depending on the floor plan that you're looking at. Over here, you've got your pass-through compartment. You've got tons of space. You can see the aluminum frame construction. It does have a strip light here for an LED light so that if you're in here at night, you can see what you're looking for. On the opposite side, you do have water connections as well as access to your water pump. You do have the thick, durable slam latches, the metal slam latches. So easy to open and close, none of those little thumb latches, magnetic catches. You do have a large awning with LED light track across that. It does span almost the entire coach, and you do have indoor-outdoor speakers. As you can see, you also have the sleek and frameless windows as well. This has 220 watts of solar on the roof, as well as a Bluetooth controller for it. On the back, which you can't see, but it is rated to tow 3,000 pounds behind it, and it has a 4-pin already wired to it, so if you want to bring a little aluminum boat or trailer, you're able to do that behind you. This does have the electric stabilizer jacks as well on them, so front and back for stability. All Cougars will have the ABS system on them. And then before you walk in, we've got the Suburban composite steps. So these ones are gonna be built lighter than your solid steps. The treads are cut into them so that dirt and water can fall through instead of into the coach when you lift it up into the coach. You also have a larger assist handle when you walk in. So we'll pop inside. As soon as you walk in, you can feel how spacious this floor plan is. You do have a very large kitchen over here, tons of cabinetry for storage, for dishes. All the cabinets have been painted. They all have residential hinges with magnets as well. So it'll be solid when you're towing it down the road, nothing's gonna fall out. They also have soft closed doors. Residential style sink and faucet. You do get a 3-burner stovetop as well as the oven, and you do get the microwave. Now you'll notice there's also windows on this campsite. They do both open. They're not just dead windows that you can't open. At the back here, you can see this is the bunk room for the kids. We've got 2 bunks, but we've got a 3rd mattress on the floor in case you've got 3 kids or more that can come camping with you. So it gives you tons of space for the kids. They also have their own cabinetry for storage, and you can hang their stuff in here as well or put their shoes under here as well. We'll hop back into the kitchen here. You do have a 12-volt Furrion fridge. Now, if you are camping off-grid, this does have a mode that you can switch to off-grid. It's setting number 2. It'll drop the amps down to 3 amps per hour while you're camping. You do have this beautiful large dinette here where you can sit multiple people. It does fold down into a bed. You do have storage underneath as well. On the back here, you can see we've got pleated shades for privacy. You also have this couch. This couch also folds out into a bed and can sleep 2 more people. So you can sleep probably 7 or 8 people in this coach for it being a 27-foot fifth wheel. You also have storage up top here. So we'll head up the stairs into the bathroom. In the bathroom here, we've got the porcelain residential toilet. You've got a large shower surround with the oxygenic shower head, which reduces water consumption but increases the pressure. You've got tons of counter space, lots of storage space between the door and the 3 sets of drawers, as well as the large medicine cabinet up top. We'll head through here into the bedroom. Now I'm 5'9" and I'm able to stand all the way in the front of this fifth wheel without having to bend over so that I don't smack my head on the roof. So there's lots of room to stand in here. You also get 2 nightstands with cubbies on each side. Each person will have their own outlet, USB and USB-C. You'll still have storage all the way around the bed up top, as well as storage under the bed as well. Plenty of storage underneath the bed for extra blankets, pillows, or anything else you guys need to carry along with you. And then one more thing over here, more storage. So for all your clothes, your jackets, you can hang everything in here, or you can use your drawers here, they pull out. And then down below, there's actually a cutout so you can put more shoes down there. So that's the 2026 Cougar 2700 BH. I'm Camper Cass, and I'll catch you camping.